more. Back here. Stop.
It's now 17.9.
Right.
It's changing. The
Gives
temperature's really
give us
1 degree temperature drop.
Give us a sign for no. Give
Someone's
us
just touched me head.
give us a sign for no, please.
Someone's...
I think it's too close to the table.
What?
Yeah.
So we've got an EMF reader with us.
Dad's got something.
I think the man went to get a magnet that proved to your dad. How far?
No, but my dad's got...
What was that?
Oh, there's my leg again. I've got the shooting pin up my leg.
My leg's just wobbly inside. We're heading back down with an EMF reader into that affected Jamie's legs and that's
Shall I send a video to you of the thing moving?
I send it on the group chat.
Yeah.
We've been talking to a Sergeant Sean and he's moved a pointer to speak to me and to speak to Jamie and to speak to Kate. So yeah, definitely action happening here.
Ooh. It was just like...
Do you want anyone back mode?
Jamie's legs have currently gone on him at the moment.
I literally know where they're gonna like.
Oh Christ, I've gone on YouTube.
That's me trying to lift my leg up.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you're on space?
No, I feel my legs are starting to shake. Bloody hell.
Jamie's lost feelings in his legs. They've gone like lead weights and he can't move. Jamie, try and walk. You got it.
We actually asked for somebody to like throw a stone or something like that, but like...
Well, you've got this, you've got stone legs instead.
I know.
We thought we heard someone talking,
Did you?
but it was people outside.
Ah, right.
God.
You just ask them to step back from you.
No, it's alright. I feel like I'm pushed down.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Right, whoever's suppressing Jamie, move
No,
back,
honestly,
please.
I don't want it to go here.
I don't know if it's a...
Like engine?
Yeah.
You can what?
I need an engine. Literally can... Eh?
You feel like you're on space?
No, I feel my legs are starting to shake. Bloody hell.
Jamie's lost feelings in his legs. They've gone like lead weights and he can't move. Jamie, try and walk. You got it.
We actually asked for somebody to like throw a stone or something like that. but,
Did you?
like,
Well, you've got this. You've got stone legs instead.
I know.
We thought we heard someone talking,
Did you?
but it was people outside.
Ah, right.
God.
You just ask them to step back from you.
No, it's alright. I feel like I'm pushed down.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Right, whoever's suppressing Jamie, move
No,
back,
honestly,
please.
I
Step
don't
back.
I don't want it to go here.
I don't know if it's a...
Like an engine?
Yeah, I can. I can even engine.
I need an engine.
This is how dark it is.
Eh?
This is how dark it is. I'm just for the video. Yeah, it's fine.
Right. Show us where you are then. Go on.
Stand beside me.
It's definitely here.
Yeah.
Oh, well, cold here
And warm
and
there.
then warm here. Weird. You feel it there cold and then feel over here.
Are you still there? Are you still over here? You're over there. All right. Here.
Yep.
Can you?
There. There you are. How was that? Can you turn it round again?
There
Yep.
it is. Right, now move it forward.
Can't see the bullet. We've lost the bullet.
Bullet's just there right in front of me. Just there.
Yeah. Right.
18.2 now.
Can I move the bullet?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm just going to put the bullet there.
There's 1 degree dropped in the space of a few minutes.
Right.
Can you get a compass on your phone and we'll ask it if it can move it. Okay. Does it just move that there?
Can I tell?
I'm just looking to see if there's any.
It's cold around that, isn't it?
Let's find the compass.
It's just me. So like you see on the reader down there, it's been doing Morse code. Brilliant.
Yeah, I said I heard more.
Yeah.
Kids, remember the thing we had we picked up like a German radio station?
Yeah.
Something about a bombing.
I wonder if I
Yeah.
can take my hands off this.
I remember that.
Take your hands off, man.
I'm going to step away for a minute and see if that works.
You're right.
Should have used my torch.
Yeah.
It's not far away from north there, is it? That's it.
Now what it is, this ring's affecting the.
Right, we'll move the ring on, or shall we put it over here?
Yeah, I'll leave it.
Yeah. Anyone here? Throw a stone if you're here.
Is anybody here? In the square box on here, if you come close to it, it lights up. You change the temperature. If you change the temperature, it'll go off as well. Can you come to the box over, please?
What happened, like?
It was like a big hole.
Someone up there.
Yeah, I used to. There you go. Thank you very much.
Maybe we've never asked at the point of people out.
Thank you.
Can
There's a
you
little pointer there.
can you point it to me, please?
You say that just on the edge of the wood.
Yeah.
There you go.
Can you point it to me, please?
There he is. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
He was so smart. So clever.
It's not long since he's talked to anybody, that's where it is.
Oh,
Have you missed her?
No. That must be by you.
oh.
Can you point it back to me, please?
There you go.
No, it's
Nice
pointing it to me.
try.
Thank you.
done.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Well done.
Nice to meet you.
That's so special.
It's amazing.
No, it's not. They've never done that to us before.
Well, you needed us here.
Right, you're right.
We're the missing link.
Can I just ask, did you affect my leg there? My left leg?
How will he tell you?
By pointing to you.
It's kind of pointing to you.
Pointing to me.
You see that?
Yeah.
And it's
So
it's
did-
fastened in. There's no wind, nothing.
Right,
Yeah.
so what's it connected
It's behind
to?
glass.
It's just on a
Yeah.
pin.
Right.
It's a compass needle, a compass point, just stuck on a pin. That's it.
Right.
So it doesn't take that much
The
effort to
sergeant
move.
shows your name.
But it's moving on command.
It's photos
You're
on the
asking
end
it
of
to
the...
Yeah.
do it, and it's doing it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's like I asked it,
Sergeant Shaw, can you point to me, please?
to point at this young lady here, and it did. Are you happy we're back now? What happened there? Did it move?
It moved
Yeah, it did
slightly,
move
yes.
slightly, yeah.
Yeah.
You've been watching me paint the plane outside. Was that you last Monday?
Oh, that's amazing.
Because the wreckage, this is his wreckage, isn't it?
That's
Yeah.
that's his engine.
What an amazing
So where did that
aircraft it was, though.
It crashed at Wingate,
Is it?
between Wingate and Trindon.
Right. Isn't that where that Vulcan
So,
crashed as well?
Yeah,
obviously, he's a friendly
it crashed
spirit.
about a mile away from
Yeah,
where the
yeah.
Vulcan came down.
Right.
Well, Keith and his friend built the cabinet for and sorted all the wreckage, helped
Yeah.
retrieve it.
Yeah,
And then I came in later and I painted it inside and painted the plane on the front,
yeah.
helped clean the engine up. And he seemed to taking a liking to her.
Oh,
Can you move the pointer to me, please?
you tired?
He might have wandered off to see what the others are up to.
Some energy into the glass.
He's not touched the exhibit.
Right.
That's just through the day.
Right.
That's to keep fingerprints off for the night shift.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, our spirit friends. Can you move this ring for us, please? Just move the ring. Might be in a bad spot, that.
Might be on a piece of muck.
I'll move it a bit further over. Yeah, right. Now try that now. There, can you move the ring? Or move the bullet? Whichever one you fancy. We're lashing some energy into this glass for you. Come on, you can do it.
I feel like the glasses look like Bolton.
Well, cool plastic across not that much. You can feel the breeze coming across it.
Depends if there's anything on the glass, you know, if there's any dust or...
See, I've got my hands on this. Oh, I can move it. Right.
Right, get ready. There you go. Right, try it now.
Did it move there?
Don't think so.
Right, come on, turn the ring.
The temperature's starting to fluctuate. It's gone 19.3 to 18.8.
Come on, our spirit friends. Just come forward, move the ring for us. Come on, you can do it. Look, there's loads of energy going into the glass.
It's not going to do it, is it?
No, it's just been down, hasn't it?
Yeah, I've got the video of it.
Right, so you're doing it now, right? Okay. Go on, turn it now then.
Go on.
Go on. It says I've just turned it 3 times
Yeah,
for you.
exactly, yeah.
Oh, that's moving
Oh,
now.
there you go.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Can you move the bullet instead? Bullet moves, look.
Can you move it back?
Come on, move it back.
Or can you move the ring to the bullet?
Yes, that's the thing. Well, it depends if there's anything on the glass, that's the trouble. We should have,
It did just move there.
I've just seen it move the
what, the bullet?
no the
No,
ring.
the ring.
Straightened itself up. It's ready to roll straight down towards the bullet now.
There you
It's
go.
moving now.
See it move?
Yeah.
Go on then, roll it down there.
Can you move it the other way? You're always moving it the same way. Can you move it back?
Can you move the ring towards me?
I just slightly moved there, but not much.
Yeah, someone's going in my right pocket.
Somebody's going to your back pocket.
Right pocket, aye, my right pocket down here. I could fit, you know, if it like someone's just slowly putting their hand in and just expanding the pocket just that little bit.
Yeah. Probably that one I've got on the picture that's going to his wallet.
Yeah. Honest, that's what I felt like there.
It was 19.2
What's happening over there?
when I put that on the counter.
Yeah.
My dad's over there.
Was he?
Aye.
What, over there?
Yeah.
All right.
Next to where